Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add map for your site in Duda. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on add widgets and just write here map. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna see like search results map. Take it and you can just easily paste it. And now we have option like how we can play around it. So you can just write here just choose nice. You can go like you have a text and button if you want, pop up if you want, and have like the design. You can change the design, what kind of design you want. I like the first one, or this one here. So then you got like style. You can go like full width, change the height here, really play around it. It's pretty simple. And when we have it, like you can click on, when you're gonna click widgets and you can like map here, you can also add it to footer like this. And again, you would edit everything and just then change the size of it. Really simple, really easy. And yeah. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.